Well, hello, friends. It's Running Kimono, and we have a quick little deal at two different stores for either some free or very cheap Flintstone vitamins. I know there's lots of moms who watch and would probably love to stock up on this, even for 74 cents. We're talking about a little something called a deal or dealio. Okay, guys, so heading over to the Walgreens app, these are the prices, and this is on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. So we're looking at the gummies to the left, and to the right, they have the actual pill form for $8.99, so it is the same cost. And this is the 60 count. Well, the gummies are 70 and then the chewables are 60. So whichever one you think is the best value, just omit the one in the center for $20.99 because that is expensive and we're allergic to that. So if you look, there's also a digital coupon. And it works on the Flintstone vitamins, and this is a 1 per. So definitely clip this one. And then if you head over to the coupons.com app, you can get $3 back for a Flintstone. And this is just load this one. And sometimes, when you forget to use your coupons, if you do go back to this app, sometimes you can get $1 back here or there. I've noticed that with myself lately. But definitely load this one. And you're only using one coupon. So yes, you can qualify for the second one. So how wonderful is that? So now if you head over to your IBOTTA account, if you have this rebate, which is a $3 back. Now, I know not every account got one, so please don't shoot the messenger, but it's $3 back for a 60 count or larger, so it will qualify, and the limit for this one is up to 2. Okay, guys, so looking at this one, putting 2 in a basket on a BOGO 50% off, that's $13.48. Remember, we have that $3 digital, so it drops it down to $10.48. Now, the price point of these vitamins in store, I'm not sure what it is, but if it's cheaper curbside, that's absolutely how I would go for these vitamins. There it is. Now, looking at the math for this, grabbing 2 of them in your basket, and this is the curbside prices again that we're looking at. That's $13.48. I think for vitamins, it might be the same price in store though, but I need one of you to go check that out. Subtracting the $3 digital, you're paying $10.48. Then you're going to make that $6 submission to IBOTTA, $3 back for each, plus one $3 submission to the coupons.com app. It shakes it out to $1.48 for the 2, or 74 cents per container of vitamins. Obviously, the gummy ones, they're 70 as opposed to the pill, which is 60, but you obviously know what your kids like the best. But what a fantastic little deal for this one. Now let's head over to Walmart. It seems like Walmart, for both the Tampax deal and this, it's always a little bit cheaper. So for the vitamin, the chewables, it's $6.44, and then for the gummies, where there's also 60 in there. Oh, interesting. That one is $5.98. Now, if you look at the bottom one, I think you know where I'm going with that one. $5.98 is totally what it's about. So I would grab, for this one, we're only going to grab one over at Walmart. So grabbing one, it's $5.88. We're going to pay that and then make that $3 submission to the coupons.com app, plus one $3 submission to IBOTTA, essentially making it completely for free. So double, triple check that you have this IBOTTA rebate, and if you can line it up, rock and roll, and absolutely make it happen. Special shout out and thank you to the couple subscribers who messaged me about this deal. Yes, it is a spectacular one. Okay, guys, in case you missed it, I made a quick little video yesterday, and I also posted kind of like a little what to look out for on my TikTok if you want to check that out. But lots of this Ray Dunn stuff, 90% off or 60% off, and other items I got like for $1. It was so cheap. This whole basket was $25. I used a $25 gift card with the IBOTTA app, and I just paid the tax. So imagine getting this cart for just tax. I mean, that's the amazingness of IBOTTA. I absolutely love that app. So if you want to check out my little haul, please check out the video at the end. It was just a really great time whenever they have this yellow tag sale. It happens twice a year over at TJ Maxx, where their merchandise from the seasons like Father's Day, spring, that sort of stuff drops down considerably. This is at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. So check out that video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.